Biology, Class 8, CBSE, Crop Production and Management. The process of growing, cultivating and harvesting crop is known as agriculture. Plants of the same kind that are cultivated in fields on a large scale for food, clothing or commercial purposes are known as crops. On the basis of season in which they grow in, India are classified into Kharif and Rabi crops. Kharif crops. Kharif crops are planted in the rainy season and are harvested in October. Example: paddy, maize, cotton, etc. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are planted in the winter season and are harvested in the March. Example: wheat, mustard, pea, grain, etc. Agricultural practices: preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage, etc. The preparation of soil. The soil is turned and loosened by using agricultural implements. Loosening of the soil helps in the growth of microbes and microorganisms present in the soil, helps in the circulation of air and water and to mix the nutrients. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or flowing. The agricultural tools that are used for flowing are plough, hoe and cultivator. A wooden leveler is used for leveling the soil, and fertilizer or manures are then applied to the soil. Plough and cultivator. Sowing. Planting seeds into the soil is called sowing. Before sowing, good quality seeds must be selected. Seeds can be grown in a field by hand or with the help of the seed drill, or by transplantation. In transplantation, seeds are sown in nursery. Small plants that grow out of these are transferred to the field. Seed drill and hoe. Adding manures and fertilizers to the soil. Manures are organic substances by the decomposition of dead plants and animals' wastes. Manures are not nutrient specific. Besides adding nutrients to the soil, manures also improve the texture of the soil and add beneficial soil organisms to the soil. Fertilizers are chemicals which increase the fertility of the soil by providing specific nutrients to the soil. Example fertilizers are urea, ammonium phosphate, NPK, etc. Manure and fertilizers. Irrigation. It is the artificial supply of water to the soil at regular intervals and in a regular quantity as per the need of the crop. It can be done by traditional or modern methods. Traditional methods of irrigation include moat, chain pump, Dekli and Rahat. They are cheaper but often lead to wastage of water. Sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation are the modern methods of irrigation and help in saving water. Sprinkler irrigation and a river. Protecting from weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along the main crop and compete with them for sunlight, nutrient, water, and space. Removal of unwanted plants from a field is called weeding. It can be done manually using a hoe, kurpi, seed drill, or by spraying chemicals known as weedicides. Fertilizer. Weedicides. Harvesting. Cutting and gathering of crops upon maturity is called harvesting. It is done manually using a sickle or with the help of a machine called a harvester. Threshing. Harvested crops are separated from the plant bulk by beating the bulk on floors or with the help of machines. The process is called threshing. Winnowing. Grains are separated from the chaff by a process called winnowing. Storage. Harvested and cleaned grain must be stored in a safe and dry place. Stored grain may be sprayed with pesticides to keep away pests. The grain is usually stored in jute bags or metallic bins. Large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries. Large metallic bins. Animal husbandry. Rearing of animals on a large scale for production, such as milk, meat, eggs, fiber, honey, etc., is called animal husbandry. Thank you.